Groans and the monkey. The guy on the right is Sherlock Groans. The other guy is Mr. Swampy. He has lost his monkey. Mr. Groans says he can find his monkey. Mr. Groans looks and walks around. He comes to a river. There's a tree next to the river. On the river there is Mr. Swampy's monkey. Sherlock Groans goes up to the monkey. He almost falls from the tree. Just as he is on the tree by the monkey, there comes a big, bad crocodile. Suddenly, they fall into the river. They swim and swim and swim until they come to Mr. Swampy. Mr. Swampy thanks Mr. Groans and takes his monkey. Mr. Groans is very happy and says, "I'm the world's best detective."